Hi everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best foldable drone you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Potensic Atom Mini. Let's get started. Product feature. Master the skies with Surgefly TM technology, giving you fluid and responsive control that makes every flight feel natural and easy, even if you've never flown a drone before. Choose your pace with 3 unique flight modes: video, normal, and sport, allowing you to transition from smooth cinematic shots to high-speed thrills at the touch of a button. Fly with total peace of mind thanks to the GPS auto return system, which brings your drone safely home to its starting point with just one simple command, keeping your investment safe. Capture the world in stunning detail using the high-quality 1/3 Sony CMOS sensor, designed to pull in vibrant colors and clear textures for professional-looking results every time. Create breathtaking memories with sharp 12MP photos and buttery smooth 4K videos at 30 frames per second, letting you share your adventures in high-definition clarity. Enjoy the freedom of a lightweight design weighing under 249 grams, which often clears regulatory hurdles and makes it incredibly easy to take with you wherever you wander. The smart, foldable structure fits snugly into your backpack or travel bag, ensuring you're always ready to capture the perfect moment without carrying around any heavy or bulky gear. Pros. This drone is a true companion for anyone who loves to capture life from above. Its lightweight build means you can take it anywhere without hesitation, and the GPS return feature acts like a safety net, giving you the confidence to explore further. The image quality from the Sony sensor is truly impressive for its size, making your travel memories look cinematic and professional. Cons. Because it is so light and portable, it might face a bit of a challenge in very high winds compared to much heavier units. Additionally, while the 4K video is beautiful and crisp, those looking for extremely high frame rates for professional slow motion might find the 30 FPS limit a small compromise for such a compact device. Final thoughts. Imagine the feeling of seeing your favorite hiking trail or a family gathering from a bird's eye view. This drone isn't just a gadget. It's a tool that helps you tell your story in a way that was once impossible. It's about the joy of discovery and the comfort of knowing you have a reliable, high-quality camera right in your pocket. You'll feel a sense of wonder every time it lifts off. Your next big adventure is just a flight away. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video. Thanks for watching.